There they go, Will. Turn it. Dude, I turned it just a hair. They would have made it. I already turned it. We go in? Just straight?